Hello Hot Wheels fans, and welcome back to another unboxing by Hot Wheels Motta. I've struggled, as I said in the last video, to get cases over from US. Took me 1.5 months to get 3 cases this time, but now I have 3 cases. This is the 2016 H case. So let's get started and see what we have. The 17 Acura NSX Cruise Booster and Stingrod 2. NSX, that's a nice car. And then we have Great Gatsby, Fangster, 2 of them. Okay. And then we have Aston Martin DBS, the 10 Pro Stock Camaro, and the Porsche 356A Outlaw. They are nice castings, yeah. I do believe that this is supposed to be the Super. In this case, this is not a Super. This is a stock one. And here we have the Porsche 356 Magnus Walker. That's a cool one. And then we have the Aeropod, Terrain Storm, and Ford Shelby GT350R. That's nice, the Ford Shelby, that's a cool casting. Next up is Cruise Cruiser again, and then we have the 15 Ford F-150 and call it the Stingray. Okay, and we have Epic Fast, 66 Ford 427 Fairline, and the 70 Camaro. 70 Camaro is quite cool. I like that one. Then we have the Renault Sport RS01, the 12 Ford Fiesta, and 69 Mercury Cyclone. The Ford Fiesta is a quite cool one. I like that one. This is the Design 5000 by someone who I can't remember the name of. Then we have Turbine Time, Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, and Combat Medic. I think 2 bottom ones are carryover from last case. Then we have Ford Shelby, Cobra Concept, Stock Car, and Clock and Dagger. And next up is What's Up? 65 Pontiac GTO and HW Rapid Responder. Then we have the 69 Dodge Charger 500, Chicane, 69 Ford Torino Talladega. Next we have the Pit Speeder 1995 Honda CRX and 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. I do believe this is a new casting in this case. Night Burner series, Honda CRX. Nice little thing. And let's see in the bottom half what could be hiding from us here. Aerodynamic, 17 Acura NSX, and another one of the 15 Ford F-150. Next up, 65 Pontiac GTO again, 63 Chevy 2, Stingrod 2. Then we have 63 Chevy again, Stock Car, and Renault Sport RS01. Okay. Then we have the Blitzspeeder, another one of the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, and 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. Next up is Custom 72 Chevy Love, Combat Medic, and 68 Ford Shelby, or 68 Shelby GT 500 as it stands here. It's a cool one. Next we have 63 Chevy 2 Porsche 993 GT2. Oh, that's some cases back, still in the run. And then another one of the 85 Honda CRX. And then we have another one of the Ford Shelby, Cobra Concept, Skyfarer, and 69 Mercury Cyclone. Then we have two of the 2015 Ford Mustang GT and the Spec-Tite. Put it to the side here. Then we have the X-Team, Terrain Storm, Aston Martin DBS. Okay. Next up is What's Up, Spec-Tite, and Twin Induction. Then we have a Side Ripper, Ford Shelby GT 350R and X-Team. This looks like a very, very bad case if you ask me. Didn't even, it's not so many cool castings, and we didn't even get a regular treasure hunt. The last one is the Corvette Stingray, Side Ripper, and the HW450F motorbike, or dirt bike. Okay, that was it for this time. Please leave a comment, subscribe if you want. Thank you for watching. Until next time, toodaloo.